ॐ
वक्रतुण्ड
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्धाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
सन्दिग्धं
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम्
स्थोभम्
अनवद्यम्
अनवद्यं
अनवद्यम्
च
च
सूत्रं
सूत्रम्
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः।
विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुग्
ऋलृ
ऋलृक्
एओङ्
एओ
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔ
ऐऔट्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
अयवरट्
लन्
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 न्यामङणनम्
ज्ञामगणनम्
ज्ञामगणनम्
जभै
झभै
जभै
सभैन्
घढधश्
घढधश्
खरधश्
जबगडदश्
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 खफछठथचटतौ
खफछठथ
खफछठथचटतौ
खपछटतौ
कपै
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 कपैन्
शशसर्
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 हल्
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 इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति
इति माहेश्वराणि
माहेश्वराणि
सूत्राणि
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 अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह
विसर्जनीयान्
विसर्जनीयान् कण्ठः
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 इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां
इचुयशानां
तालु
तालु
ऋठुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां
ऋटुरसानां
मूर्धा
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 लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लिटुलसानां
लुतुलसानां
दन्ताः
दन्ताः
ऋतुलसाः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपधमनियानां
ओष्ठौ
ज्ञामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
ज्ञानाग्नानां नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठ तालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतः
कण्ठोष्ठम्
कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जह्वामूलीयस्य जह्वामूल्यम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
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 रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमणिः सदा
विजयते रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम
राम
मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो भवतु रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे भो राम त्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे राम त्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया
ओ
भो राम मां पालय
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकापदे नित्या
नित्या
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या
नित्या
समासे वाक्ये
वाक्ये
तु
तु
सा
सा विवक्षां
विवक्षामपेक्षते
प्रपेक्षते
तिप्तश्ची
तिप्तस्मि
सिप्तस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
मिप्वस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
त आताञ्झ
त
आतां
आताञ्च
च
थास् आथां ध्वम्
आथाथात्वम्
त्वम्
इट् वहि महीन्
इट्
इत्
वहि महि
महिन्
तीतः अन्ति
तीतः अन्ति
अन्ति
सीत्थः थ
तीतः
सः
मी वह मह
मी वह
वह
मह
ते इते अन्ते
ते
ते
इते
इते
अन्ते
से इथे द्वे
से
ते
इते द्वे
इते द्वे
ये वहे महे
वहे
वहे
महे
महे
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति
भवति
भवतः
भवतः
भवन्ति
भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवत
भवसि
भवति
भवतः
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 भवामि भवावः भवामः
भवामि
भवामि
भवावः भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभते
लभते
लभेते
लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभसे
लभते लभेते
लभद्वे
लभत्वे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
लभे
लभे
लभावहे लभामहे
लभामहे
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति
करोति
कुरुतः
कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
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 करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि
कुर्वः
कुर्वः
कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाथे कुरुद्वे
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुद्वे
कुरुद्वे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्महे
तकाराताम् अन्
सकाराताम् अन्
सकारातं त
सकाराताम्
अम्भम
अम्भम
त इतामन्त
इताम् अन्त
थाः इथां द्वम्
थाः
इताम् त्वम्
ईवहि महि
वहि महि
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत अलभेता अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभताः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे अलभावहि
अलभावहि
अलभामहे
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोत्
करोत्
अकुरुताम्
अकुरुताम्
अकुर्वन्
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरोः
करोः
अकुरुतम्
अकुरुतम्
अकुरुत
अकुरुत
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकर्वम्
अकरवम्
अकुर्म अकुर्म
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुत
अकुरुत
अकुर्वताम् अकुर्वत्
अकुर्वत
अकुरुताः अकुर्वाताम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
कुर्वी कुर्वहि कुर्महि
अस्ते स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
असि स्तः स्त
असि
असि
स्तः
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 अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
स्मः
आसीदास्तामासन्
आसीत् आसाम् आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसी
आसीत्
आसत्
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम्
आसम्
आस्व आसम्
आस्म not आसम् 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 आस्व आस्म
आस्म
Okay. We have seen all the karaka. Karta, karma, karana, sambradhana, apadana, adhikarana. The karakani shat, 6 karakas. Fine. One more example. Gacchati, kriyapadam. You can see the sentence. All the sentences, all the words in a sentence which are connected to the kriya. Kriya is accomplished by those factors. They are karaka. Now, gacchati. Kaha gacchati?
बालः
बालः गच्छति
So, balaha is
कर्ता
karta.
अभिहितकर्ता
कर्ता इज अभिगितम कर्तरी प्रयोगः सः कर्ता इज अभिगितम बालः इज प्रथमा विभक्ति कर्ता बिकॉज कर्तरी प्रयोगः कर्ता इन प्रथमा विभक्ति ओके क्रिया निष्पन्नम क्रियां करोति यः क्रियां करोति सः कर्ता गमन क्रियां करोति यः सः अत्र बालः सः कर्ता कर्तरि प्रयोगत्वात् प्रथमा विभक्तिः कर्तरि प्रयोगः in कर्तरि प्रयोग कर्ता is denoted by the kriyapada therefore we say abhigita karta is yeah. Then what else could be abhigita? What else in a sentence in a active voice sentence what else could be abhigitam? What else could be denoted directly by the kriyapada? Tell me. In a sentence, in a active voice sentence, what else could be denoted by the verb?
Adjective, Guruji. Adjective from the
Adjectives are adjectives. They are for the Visheshya substantive. That will not be denoted, right? Suppose if you say adjective, Ramaha is a Kushalaha Ramaha. Kushalaha Rama Gacchati. Rama who is Kushalaha is very skillful, dexterous. So Kidrishaha Ramaha, you can ask, what is it? It has to do with Gacchati. Kaha Gacchati, Rama Gacchati. Kidrishaha Ramaha only you will ask. So in case you want to get the Visheshanam as the answer. What type of Rama is? Chaturaha Ramaha, intelligent Rama, or Kushalaha Ramaha, or Shvetaha Ramaha, Rama who is white in color, or Krishaha Rama who is the very thin,
Like,
emaciated Rama.
mm,
That cannot.
mm.
That is Visheshanatva. It is connected to Visheshya.
Okay.
Visheshana,
No,
Visheshya will be same vibhakti. Fine. But
Mm.
Visheshanatva,
object,
it is. Huh? What is that?
object, object.
Object. If
No,
object
no,
also denoted by the Kriya Padam, then what Prayoga is that? Is it Kartari Prayoga or Karmani
Second line.
Prayoga?
no.
Then
Karmani
it is
prayoga.
Karmani Prayoga, it will be.
I didn't ask that question. I asked simply, what else are denoted by the Kriya Padam directly, other than Karta? Nothing.
Nothing.
How can
No, no.
Mm.
no means what? No. My answer is
Means
no, or you are saying
nothing. I mean
No.
nothing.
that should have said before.
Hmm.
Would have appreciated. Karta alone is denoted by the Kriya Padam. What else?
Hmm.
Karta
Yeah,
alone is denoted by the Kriya Padam directly.
Hmm.
That's why Ramaha Gacchati, Ramaha Gacchanti.
Mm.
What else changes? Change in Kriya Padam, change in
Ramaha.
Purusha or Vachana of Kriya Padam. What else changes in a sentence? Any other factor
Karta
changes?
change.
Karta alone changes.
Mm.
Hmm.
Other than
Yes.
Karta, nothing is denoted by the verb. Okay, that's why when you convert a sentence, a passive, active voice sentence into a passive voice, Karta will undergo change. Of course, Karma will also undergo change.
Mm.
Because there in Karmani Priya, Karma will be Abhigitam, therefore you have to put Karma in Pratama Vibhakti. Anyway, the Karmani Priya we are not seeing now. We will see it later, postpone it for next, whenever possible that time. Just I'm saying, Karta alone is Abhigita. Only one thing can be Abhigita by a verb. If so many things are Abhigita, then it is meaningless. Then why we call it by different name then? Then we should, why should we call Karma Karaka or Karana Karaka? Unnecessary. All will be Karta only. In Kartari Prayaga, Karta is Abhigitam, and therefore Karta is Pratama Bhakti. Said.
Yeah.
If other Karakas are also denoted, they also will be in Pratama Bhakti. I mean, yeah, first case only. That which is Abhigitam in Kartari Prayaga is Karta. That's what we said, right?
Mm.
What else could be denoted then? Nothing. Only Karta.
Nothing.
So in Karmani Prayaga, only Karma will be denoted. Therefore, denoted, that which is denoted will be in Pratama. Karma will be Pratama Bhakti in Karmani Prayaga. This must be clear.
Yes.
No confusion.
Yes.
Okay. There should be clear understanding.
Yes.
When it comes to knowledge, there should not be any ambiguity.
Yes.
Asandigdam, that is only jnanam. Pratibadda jnanam is ajnanam only. In Vedanta, we say, and Shankara Bhagavad says in his Bhashya, Pratibadda jnanam is ajnanam eva. Okay. Like a milk is there. We don't know whether a drop of poison by mistake fell into the milk. We are not sure. Now tell me, will you take the milk? And somebody says. It is, yeah, because doubt is there. Therefore, we will not take. Simple. We'll throw that. We throw that. How much ever the quantity, we just throw it. Because doubt, pratibadda, samshaya. Samshaya sahita jnanam is ajnanam eva. So there should be clarity. That is why the questions are asked. So that the clarity comes. Fine. So this is must be clear. Karta. Other karka, whatever it is, denoted. Fine. Now next question.
Yes.
Balaha kutra gacchati. Where does he go?
Vidyalayam.
The place of reach, the destination, considered to be karma. So Vidyalaya is karma, therefore it is in Dvitiya. Balaha kena gacchati. How does he go? Katam gacchati. Katam or kena? The means by which
mode,
goes.
which way?
By which method, which mode, the mode of travel. There it is. Cycle yanena.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. What is the word for cycle in Sanskritam?
Dvichakrika.
So how do you say it?
Dvichakrikaya.
Yes, because Sailinga it is.
Tritiya.
Chakri. Chakrikaya. Ekata Ramaya. Dvichakrikaya Vidyalayam gacchati. Then why does he go? Balaha kimartam gacchati. There must be reason.
Tanaya.
Pathanaya.
That is sampradaya. Patanaya. Cycle yanena. Yanam is vehicle. Cycle. Cycle, which is a yana, which is a vehicle. So vehicle yanena dvichakriyatya vidyalayam gacchati. Kutaha kasmat gacchati. From where does he go?
Hat.
Grihat.
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 Grihat. Patanaya.
Pathanaya.
Cycle yanena
Vaidyalayam.
Vidyalayam gacchati.
gacchati. Okay. From whose house he goes? Now, what this Kasya? Kasya Grihat Gacchati. What Karaka, we'll get the answer.
Sambandha. It is not a karaka.
Sambandha. It is not a
It is not a
karaka. It is not a karaka.
Yes. Therefore, Matulasya Griha, from his uncle's home. Matula not connected to Gacchati.
Gacchati. Yes.
Gacchati only with Balaha.
Hmm.
Balaha Gacchati. Grihat Gacchati. Patanaya Gacchati. Cycle Yanena Gacchati. Vidyalayam Gacchati. Matulasya, Matula, it's not connected to the Kriya. That is why it is not a Karaka, it is Sambandha Shashti. From the Matula, from the home of the uncle, it goes. Okay. Valakaha Kasmin Pustakam Stapayitva Gacchati. He carries a book, right? You must carry the books, you must put the books in something, right? You must.
Yes.
Kasmin.
Syutat.
He goes to the school means he will go to the school empty-handed. He must carry books. So what is that in which he keeps the books? What is that in which he keeps the book and carry?
Full bag. Sukyam.
Syutat.
Syuta. Syute pustakam stapayitva. Stapayitva is having placed. That is the meaning. Okay. Having placed book in the Syuta.
Right.
So here the Adhikaranam is not for Gacchati. Please note. Here Adhikaranam, Syuta is Adhikaranam for Stapana Kriya. Okay. The two Kriyas are there. Balakaha Syute Pustakam Stapayitva Matulasya Grihat Pathanaya Cycle Yanena Vidyalayam
Gacchati.
The sentence difficult to understand?
No.
No, Guru.
The same sentence, if it is given in some English, you should be able to do it.
That is not.
That is what you have to do it. The same sentence, if it is given in English, you have to ask question and then slowly you have to do the translation. Okay. Sanskritam to English is easy. English into Sanskritam is difficult. Anyway, we need to do some translation, which in the previous book also it is left. Actually, the simple sentences we will do after that. Now we will, anyway, this paragraph, Suryodeha, it's a long one. I think, yeah. We will do some simple sentences and then come back. Because some simple sentences which are there already, which we have not done in this book, level 4, part 1. We'll do some and then we can do that. Suddenly, if we give a long paragraph, it will be difficult. Okay. Now, these are all simple sentences. You can try. We speak. Vocabulary, Kriya Padam, verbs, all these are important. You need to remember. Grammar is one thing, language is another thing. Both are required. Both are two wings. So both the wings are required for flying. Right? So you need to have some good, set of vocabulary, good number of words, and verbs, also, good number of nouns and verbs. Okay, we speak.
Speak.
Yam vadati.
Kriya padam is vadati.
Yam
Vadati, first you should not say. You have to see who is the karta.
Vadamaha.
Vayam vadamaha.
Vadamaha.
Vayam vadamaha.
Vadamaha, Bhasha mahe. Dhatu is Bhash. Dhatu
Bhasha.
Parasmapadi or Atmanipadi?
Atmanipadi.
Atmanepadi.
So, bhashate, bhashete, bhashante.
Padam.
Bhashate, bhashete, bhashante.
Bhashate,
Bhashe,
Bhashavahe,
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 bhashavahe.
Bhasamahe.
Bhashamahe.
In fact, these two, the forms, you know how to derive it also. Bhash, first group. Bhash plus. Pratyaya is vahe, mahe, right?
Vahe.
Ye, vahe, mahe. Then,
Hmm.
when this is Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya.
Ardha.
Ardha.
Mahe
Who
is
says
a
Ardha?
Sarvadhatuka.
Who said Ardhadhatuka?
Sarvadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka.
Somebody said
It's a
Ardhadhatuka.
tin. No. It's a tin pratyaya, Guruji.
Yeah, tin pratyaya. I don't have it. Somebody said Ardhadhatuka. What to do with them, huh? It's Sarvadhatukam, Ardhadhatuka. I don't know who told it.
Sarvadhat.
So many classes we have
Sarvadhatuka.
been repeatedly saying this is a tin pratyaya. How can it be Ardhadhatuka?
No.
The moment when you say Ardhadhatuka means it is no thinking. Think pratyaya. How can it be Ardhadhatuka? So no, never do that. It is Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. When Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, Gana Vikrana comes, which is Shab.
Shab.
Shab. So, Bhash plus
Bhasha.
Shab will become
Bhasha.
Bhash plus
Bhasha. Bhasha, now it is Adantanga followed by
Mahe.
Mahe.
Yan.
No.
Yan pratyaya.
Yan Shandi. Yan Shandi.
Yan
Yan
Sandhi.
pratyaya.
Deepika, Yan
Yan
Sandhi.
pratyaya.
No.
Sometimes you should go back and watch the class. Huh? Is it Yan Sandhi? Then what is Yan Sandhi?
No. When
In
ik is followed by
Right.
ach, asavarna ach.
Then here, is it the ik letter first of all?
No.
Followed by Asavarna Ach here?
No.
Then why you said Yan Sandhi?
No.
Then what is that here? Is it Sandhi here? Can a
No, it
vowel
is
and
not
a
a
consonant join and become,
No.
Samhita? Is possible. Sandhi possible, Sandhi Karya.
No.
There is no Sandhi Karya at all.
Yeah.
Then what is that then?
Bhash.
What is the answer? What happens? Parulji.
Bhasha Mahe, that is a
Bhashamahe.
Anga
Bhasha
karya, Guruji.
Yeah, what is that Angakarya? What is the rule?
When Ratva is followed by a yan letter, then the is changed to dirgha.
When the Rasva Akara at the end of the Anga. Apadanta is Anga, Apadanta Akara. Akara at the end of that which is not a Padam. This is not a Padam. When it is followed by a Pratyaya beginning with what letter?
Yan letter.
Not Yan. This is
Yan.
What are the young letters then?
Yav, Var, Refa.
Semi-vowels, fifth class, and Jabha.
Yes.
Go and study again, Deepika ji.
Yes.
You have to, till you understand, you have to repeatedly do it. Bhasha Mahe. Then only Dirghatam happens. That's why Bhasha Mahe.
Yes.
But you don't know this. Huh?
No,
yes,
we have done it.
You have done it, but you're not answering at all.
Yes, I was. We have done it. This.
Then Vadamaha. Vada also belongs to first group. Followed by the Pratyaya. Followed by the Adhadhatuka Pratyaya, right?
Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya.
Sarvadhatuka.
It's a thing Pratyaya.
Yeah, then why you said this? So Vad plus, then Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Then Gana Vikarna Shabd comes. Then Shabd any Angakarya.
No Angakarya possible.
No Angakarya not possible.
Therefore, just add. Vad plus A is Vada.
Vada.
Then Apadantakara followed by the pratyaya
Followed
beginning
by
letter.
young letter, then will be Vadamaha.
You say this after the class when you do our practice 5 times, 10 times mentally. When Apadantakara followed by the pratyaya beginning with the young letter, Yanga will get Dirgha Desha, will become Dirgha, A will become A. Just don't do mechanically the exercise. You say it and do it. Now Vadamas is a Padam. Padanta Sakara, that will be replaced by Ru. And Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa will become Visarga Vadamaha. Simple. That's how you get Vadamaha. Okay, you strike. Question comes. Yes.
Tadayasi.
Yeah.
Tadayasi.
Tvam Tadayasi, yeah. Tvam Tudasi. Tudasi also you can say.
Tudasi.
Tudasi, Tadayasi, Praharasi. Praharasi. Harasi, Harda, Hridatu, to take away. With the pra means to strike, to hit. Because of the upasarga, the meaning is changed to strike. The meaning changes. Pra upasarga does that. So you see how many kriya padams are there, many verbs are there you can use to your choice. Tadayasi, praharasi, tudasi. Then take, conquer.
Vijayan.
Vijayanti. Vijayanti.
Jayanti. Jayanti you can say.
Jayanti.
Te. Jayanti. Parajayante means they defeat. So Parajayante means defeat. They defeat. I mean, they conquer means they defeat, right?
Guruji, Jayati is Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi Dhatu?
Very good. I thought if anybody will ask this question, you asked. Yes, Parasmepadi.
Parasmepadi, okay.
Why this question?
Because we say Satyameva Jayate, that is why.
That is Mundaka Upanishad. Shruti can say, can present Parasmepadi Dhatu in Asmepadi or Atmanepadi in Parasmepadi. Shruti has the authority. In fact, grammar is derived from the Shruti. Okay. So, Ji Dhatu, that becomes Jayati, it is Parasmepadi only. Satyameva Jayate, Shruti has the authority to use the Dhatu, to make the Dhatu, and to consider the Dhatu as Parasmepadi, Atmanepadi. So, Shruti can do. We cannot do it. So, Jayate means, it is the privilege of the Shruti. Privilege of, even not only of the Shruti, even of the Acharya. Acharya that the Parampara they use, they can use. But we have to abide by the grammar. So, Ji Dhatu being a Parasmepadi, therefore we have to say Jayanti only. Jayanti. We have to use only Parasmepadi, Parasmepada Pratyaya. Now the question comes, then why Para Jayante? It should not be Para Jayanti.
Jayanti.
That is a mistake, right?
No.
That is not when Para Upasarga is there, then Ji Dhatu must be Atmanepadi. It's a rule. Parajayate, Parajayate, Parajayante. Okay, understand? Is it clear? So, Para Upasarga, it must be Atmanepadi. You said in the beginning, you said what you said, accounted. You said Vijayanti, right?
Yeah.
This is also wrong. And if you use V Upasarga, it is Atmanepadi. Te Vijayante, you have to say. V Parabhyam, Jeghe, Sutram itself is there. Only for this Dhatu, when V Upasarga or Para Upasarga is there, the Dhatu should take only Parasmepada Pratyaya. Only when these two Upasargas are there, not other Upasarga. Only when V Upasarga and Para Upasarga are there, any of them is there before no upasarga being prefix before the dhatu, then the dhatu must take mane pada pratyaya only. Vijayanti is wrong.
Okay.
Okay. So te jayanti, te vijayante. Okay, note. Now, I take all this translation, this chance to make you recall the derivation of the verb. Dhatu is derived from the G dhatu. Tell me, what is the pratyaya? G plus here. What pratyaya here? Bhagavachanam.
G plus tip. Anti.
Anti.
Originally it was G.
G.
Tip plus G. G must be replaced by anti.
Anti.
What type of pratyaya? Sarvadhatukam or Adadhatukam?
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam.
I keep asking you. When you say Adadhatuka, then I will stop teaching this. Okay. Even in dream, you should not say it is Ardhadhatuka. When a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, Gana Vikarana comes and G dhatu belongs to the first conjugation, first group, therefore Shab.
Shab.
Not always Shab, Shab, Shab. You have to see the dhatu. Dhatu belongs to first group, therefore Shab. Okay.
Yes.
Then now can
But
the pratyaya do the Angakarya? Yes.
Yes.
Anga ending with the E, equal letter. Therefore, the pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya can cause guna Angakarya. Therefore, G will become
J. Will become J.
J plus content of Shab being A. After Angakarya, then Sandhikarya. A plus A.
Yes. Ayadi Sandhi. Jai.
Become Jai.
Jai.
Yakara plus A. Jaya.
Jaya.
Jaya plus Anti.
Jayanti.
What's Sandhi?
Pararupa.
Pararupa Sandhi.
What is Pararupa Sandhi?
When Apadanta Akara is followed by Guna letter, then it will be replaced by the
Guna letter.
What will be replaced?
The Akara will be replaced by the Guna letter. Corresponding Guna letter.
Which Akara? Both sides we have Akara only.
No, Raswa, the Apadanta Akara. The Apadanta
Haswa Akara.
Really?
Will be
Really?
Yes. If an Apadanta Haswa Akara is followed by a Guna letter, then both the letters will be replaced by the following letter, which happens to be Guna Pararupa Sandhi.
Okay, then I will ask another question. Labha plus A. Here what happens?
Labhe. Labhe.
What did you say? Here Apadanta Akara followed by a Guna letter A. Right? Then this A should be replaced by A. That's what you said. So Labhe plus A. Now after that? You do Ayadi Sandhi?
No, Guruji. Both will be replaced by
that is what I asked.
Letter.
Both. But that is what I asked. You said this Akara will be replaced by Akara.
Both will be replaced
also said the same thing. Both will be replaced. Purva Parayoho.
Yes.
That's
Purva Parayoho.
Purva Parayoho. Not this. If you say this, then I would ask this. You are caught here then.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Both will be replaced. That is a Sthani. Sthani must be clear.
Yes.
In the Purva Padam, Akara is there. Uttara Padam also Akara, which happens to be a Guna letter. So both will be replaced by the Pararupa, which is Guna. Therefore, Jayanti. Similarly, here Labha plus Shab plus Labha. Labha plus Ye is Labdhatu being Atmanepadi Dhatu and Atmanepadi Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam Ye. Therefore, A plus Ye both will be replaced by the Pararupa, which is a Guna letter. So therefore, Labhe you get. Otherwise, you will have Labhe Anishtarupam. Okay. I grieve.
Aham shochayami.
Aham shochayami.
You cause to grieve or you grieve?
Grieve.
Why shoch?
Grieve.
So shocha.
Shochami only. Why shochayami?
Shochami. Oh, yeah. Right.
Shochami means you cause to grieve.
Causing to grieve.
Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes by giving wrong answer, you are causing grief. That's true. Aham shochami.
Shochami.
Okay, not shochayami.
Yes.
I don't know from where shochayami came. Two of us smile. What is the word for smile?
No.
Has also you can say hasdatu to laugh, but not smile. Muskura, Hindi. That is Hindi. Smidatu.
Huh?
Smita, Smitamukhi comes in Lalita Sahasramandal. Smi, to smile.
Okay.
Ishat Hasane, smile. Atmane Paridatu. In fact, we did this also, one of the dhatu. Anyway, I think you won't be able to remember. Smidatu. Atmane Paridatu. First group. You tell me how to, get the form. Let us do the two of us. Two of us means what Purusha, what Vachana?
Avam.
Madhyam Purusha.
No.
No.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttam Purusha.
The two of us.
Avam.
Avam
is Madhyama Purusha or Uttama Purusha?
Uttama
Purusha. Dvivachanam.
You say something, other person also goes along with that.
No, I said Avam.
Avam you said, but Avam is Madhyama Purusha.
No, I said Uttama Purusha.
Okay, very good. So Uttama Purusha, what Vachana?
Dvivachanam.
What is the Pratyaya? This dhatu is an Atmanepadi dhatu.
Atmanepadi dhatu. Then it will be Vahe.
Okay. Smi plus Vahe. Gana Vikarana is?
Is it first Gana?
Yes, first group I said.
First Gana, so it will be Shap.
Then
this Anga Karya will happen or not, we have to see.
It will happen. It will happen, Guruji. The last letter is Ikara. So
Ikara.
May.
It will become Sme.
May plus
Then?
May plus plus
again Ayadi Sandhi. So Smaye.
Smai. Then?
Maya plus.
Maya plus hai. So Smaya
Maya
plus Vahe. Then again Apadanta Akara.
Guna letter
by
will
Pratyaya with
young letter.
Young letter.
Yes.
So Smaya Vahe.
Maya Vahe.
What is the Guna letter, Parulji? No Guna letter here. Smaya Vahe. Apadanta Akara followed by a young letter. Smaya Vahe. Now what is the translation?
Avam Swayamahe.
That's the answer. Hasdatu. As means to laugh. It's okay. That is, anyway, smile or laugh, fine. Even if you say Hasdatu, Asavaha, it's okay. Then he awakens, gets up. After that stops. Avekati. So your knowledge is only up to Saha.
No, awakens that verb, not verb.
Verb only. What else? Verb only.
Awakens.
You have to find a dhatu. What is the dhatu? Uttishtata, Jagrata.
Jagrata. Okay.
Not okay, Jagrata also you can use, but Jagrata I will not suggest now because it's yes, exactly. Tishtati with the Uttupasarga, Uttishtati means gets up. Jagrati also you can use, but the Jagrati belongs to the second conjugation. Jagrati or Uttishtati. They condemn, criticize.
Nindayanti.
When somebody says, other people also say the same thing. No thinking at all. Somebody said Nindayanti and Peruji also you went by Nindayanti. Huh?
Nindanti.
Nindanti.
Nindanti, not Nindayanti. Te Nindanti or Kandayanti. That is Kandayanti is 10th Kannada, don't worry. If you don't know this. Nindanti you say, at least it's okay. I live. Don't go by what others says. You think and answer. I live. Say it correctly. I want correct answer.
Aham jivami.
Yes, aham jivami. Or?
Aham vasami.
Yes, very good. Aham vasami. It stands. What is the verb?
Tishtati.
Tishtati.
Tat tishtati. Okay. Just to join like that. Tat tishtati. We see.
Vayam
Pashyamaha.
Pashyamaha.
Vayam pashyamaha. Another dhatu.
Ikshamahe.
Very good. Ikshamahe. Vayam ikshamahe or vayam pashyamaha. Pashyamaha is parasmai padi dhatu. The drish dhatu. Vayam pashyamaha. Iksh dhatu atmanepadi ikshamahe. Mother speaks words. Speaks.
Vadati.
Kaha vadati. Ka vadati.
Mata vadati.
Mata vadati. Mata shabdaha.
Mata shabdaha. Vadanti.
Shabdani vadanti.
Shabda is pullinga only.
Shabdaha.
Shabdan.
Shabdan. Vadati. Kena vadati.
Paruji, here words, what karaka is it? Paruji will answer.
Mata is a karta.
I'm asking words.
So, Parakani, so the third or first person, words mother speaks like the karta karaka.
Mother is karta, words also karta.
No, mother is karma. Oh,
mother karma. Word speaks mother, right?
No.
I don't know what you understand. This is not a big thing, okay? Small thing. Yes, who speaks? Yeah. Mother speaks. Word speak or mother speak? Mother speaks.
Yeah, mother speaks.
Then why? How can mother be karma? You're saying mother karma. Is it your understanding of karaka?
No, I said karta.
Then words also karta. That also karta. No. All are karta. Then?
No, words are not karta.
You said, I didn't say. You should please watch the recording then later. Then what are words then? Karakam is not clear. Then you won't be able to do translation at all. If you don't understand what it is.
Karma will be always in the Ditya Vibhakti.
That's okay. Then what karaka I'm asking? Then we can talk about the Vibhakti. What difficulty is there in understanding that? I don't know. I'm asking, I'm telling now who speaks?
Mother speaks.
Mother is karta. What does she speak?
Words.
Then what are words then? What karaka is that?
So words are karma karaka.
That's what I'm asking. We are saying karta, that also karta, this is also karta, mother also becomes karma. Simply confusing. No. Huh? I'm not confused. You are confused. You must have clear understanding. Yes, how will you do translation then? And Shabda is pullinga. Now do the translation. Anyone? Mother speaks words. Yeah, please. Anyone?
Shabdan, no, Guruji? Mata Shabdan.
Mata Shabdan
Vadati.
Not
Vadati.
Shabdaha. Don't
Vada.
say Shabdaha, Deepika.
Shab-
Parulji.
Yes,
Parulji.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
sorry. It is karma, so it is always in Ditya Vibhakti.
Then why you say Shabdaha? Shabdaha means
Sorry.
what?
No, sorry,
Shabdan.
wrong one. Shabdan.
Think and answer.
Correct.
It is karma. Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Shabdan. Mata, Shabdan, or Vachanani, whatever it is, you can say Vachanani. Or words means Padam also. Padani. Vachanam is better. Vadati. Mata, Vadati, Bhashate. Vachanani. Vachanam is words. Napumsakalinga. Vachanam, Vachane, Vachanani. There are many words for word. Many words for the word.
Aksharam.
Yeah, Aksharam. Aksharam is a letter. Aksharam is letter. So Padani, technically Padani also is the Padam. So words, Vachanam, you can say Padam. Or Vachaha also is a Vachaha, Vachansi, Vachamsi. Napumsakalinga, Vachamsi also you can say, but anyway, you don't know that. Okay. Vachanam is the common one. You can use that. Uktihi also, anyway, all those things are there anyway. Or Shabda means can be a sound also, Dhwani also. But anyway, you don't take Dhwani here. She speaks some words. Okay. Vachanani. The next one. I will ask you, then you answer. Okay, then you can do the translation. Wolf sees elephant. Understand the Karaka very clearly. Nobody should blabber. What is the Kriya Padam here? Say the English. We'll do Sanskritam later. What is the Kriya Padam? What's the verb? Sees. Who sees?
Wolf sees.
What is a wolf then?
It's karta.
What does the wolf see?
The elephant.
What is the elephant then?
Then it is karma.
Okay, what is the verb for sees?
Pashyati.
Now, who sees?
Wolf.
Wolf is?
It is
Karta.
karta. Yeah, it is in the
What is the word for wolf?
So that I don't.
Shrugalaha.
Shrigalaha.
Vrikaha.
Shrigalaha. What is the other word?
Vrikaha.
I'm not clear. It's not clear.
Vrkaha.
Vrikaha.
Oh, Vrkaha, yes. Yeah. Vrkaha. Vrkaha also another word. Vrkaha. Shrigalaha. You can say yes. There are many words are there. If you see the Amar Kosha, you will see many words. Okay, Shrigalaha is fine. Vrkaha also. Pashyati. Vrkaha pashyati. Vrkaha kam pashyati.
Gajam.
Gajam pashyati.
Gajam pashyati.
Gaja is Vikaraka, Karmakaraka, Pullinga. Because it is karma, therefore Vidya Vakti, and only one elephant, therefore Gajam, Vita Ramam. So Vrkaha Gajam Pashyati. Shigalaha. Another word for Gaja is
Hasti.
Astin. Astina, Astinam. That is also possible. Nakaranta Shabda, you don't know, don't worry. You know, you will otherwise. Astinam. Or another word is Karin.
Karin.
Karinam. Karahasya asti iti Karin. Karinam. Karinam pashyati. Vikshate. Vikshate or pashyati. Iksh dhatu is Atmanepadi. Therefore, it is ikshate. Okay. Now, Karin is Nakaranta Shabda. Astin also Nakaranta Shabda. So, Nakaranta Shabda also you need to know. Do you know Nakaranta Shabda?
Yes, you've taught it, Guruji.
Okay, I think it will not be here.
Naman. That Naman.
Okay, Nakaranta Shabda, you need to memorize. What I will do, I will just Okay, just tapping, you can see. Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Karin Shabdaha. Karin, or you can take Astin. Astin, you can try as in homework. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is, you need to memorize a Shabda. Kari. Okay. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Kari, then Karinau. Kari, Karinau.
Karinaga.
Karina.
Kari, Karinau, Karinaha, then Karinam.
Nam.
Karinam, Karinau.
Karina.
That also Karinaha only. Karinam, Karinau, Karinaha. Then
Karina.
Karina, Karibhyam.
Karibhyam.
Karibhihi.
Karibhihi.
So Karina, Karibhyam.
Karibhihi.
Okay. Karina, Karibhyam, Karibhihi. Then
Karine.
Karine. Karibhyam. Karibhyam.
Karibhyaha.
Sampradana, Karine. Karine, Karibhyam, Karibhyaha. Then Karinaha,
Karinaha. Karibhyam.
Karibhyam,
Karibhyam. Karibhyaha.
Karibhyaha. Then Shashti, Karinaha,
Karinaga. Karinoho. Karina.
Karinaha, Karinoho.
Naho. Karina.
Karinam.
Karinam or Karina?
Karina.
Karinam.
Karina.
Dirga, no?
Dirga will happen, yes or no?
Yeah.
Tell me. Karinaha,
Karina.
Karinoho.
Karina.
It's only Karina. Dirga
Yeah.
will not happen. It is only Karina.
Yes.
Okay. So don't confuse with what to say.
Hari Shabda.
Yeah, here it is Karinam only.
Yeah.
Then Saptami Ekavacham. Karini.
Karine. Karini.
Karinoho.
Karini.
Karinoho.
Karinaho. Karishu.
Karishu.
Karishu. Then Sambodhana. Ekari.
Kari.
Karin. Sorry. Karin. Karinau.
Karino.
No. Karinaha.
You memorize this Shabda.
Yes.
I think
You have done it, sir, in lecture 126
the
in
Shabda.
September.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Karina, Karina.
Karin
Karinam.
Shabda. Aman Shabda. Bhata.
Karin. Nakaranta Pullinga Karin Shabda.
Okay. Similarly, you can do Astin Shabda, many Shabdas. Anta. Asti, Astina, Astinaha, Astinam, Astino, Astinaha, Astina, Astibhyam, Astibhiti, Astine, Astibhyam, Astibhyaha, Astinaha, Astibhyam, Astibhyaha, Astinaha, Astinoho, Astina, Astini, Astinoho, Astishu.
Astishu.
Hey Astin,
Hey Astino.
Hey Astinaha. Okay. The Shabda Manjari, we have Shabda Manjari, I think I sent you also.
Yes. Yes.
Shabda Manjari, I'll show you.
Yes.
So current Shabda And Rajan Shabda also important, but anyway, that we can do it later. But Karin Shabda you can memorize. At least one Shabda, one class. So Nakaranta Shabda you can do the Shabda you can commit to them. There are many Nakarantas. This is one Nakaranta. Oh, that Shabda I think it's not here. The Shabda Manjari. In my book it is missing. 38 after that 42 is there. It's okay. In my book is it missing.
No, because you must have given, because I have done it from your lecture, so it must be in your book only, sir.
Really?
Because
Okay.
before that you did Rukaranta Pullinga Dhratu Shabda.
The Shabda Manjari it is not there. Maybe in other. Okay. 1 minute. Let me take that. Nakaranta Shabda. Here it is. Nakarantaha. Oh, in fact, I should copy paste this time. Pullingaha Karin Shabdaha. The Shabda Manjari not there, but here it is. Anyway, this document is not required for you. This is a derivation of the Karin Shabda, how the word Shabdas are derived. But you can take this as your homework.
Which Shabda?
Do you see my screen? Not
Yes,
required.
sir.
So that
Grihapata.
Grihapataha.
So many Shabdas.
Yeah, you can take some 3 or 4.
Okay.
Jnanin,
Okay.
if suppose Jnanin, how do you decline Jnanin Shabda now?
Gnanini. Gnanino.
Jnanini.
Jnani,
Jnani.
Jnaninau, Jnaninaha,
Now, Jnaninaha.
Gnaninam. Gnaninau. Gnanin.
Jnaninaha. Jnanina.
Gnaninaha.
Jnanibhyam. Jnanibihi. So here it is that I'll send you this, you can practice. Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Karin Shabdaha. So here we have this. Jnanin Adhikarin. Adhikaraha Asti Adhikari. Adhikari, Adhikarino, Adhikarinaha. Adhikarinam, Adhikarino, Adhikarinaha. Adhikarina, like that you can decline. Atatayin. What is Atatayin?
Don't know.
What is Atatayi?
Yes,
Atatayi.
very painful or something. Painful.
Painful.
Atatayi.
Have you heard the word Atatayi?
Yes, yes.
No.
Many a
I
times.
have.
Yes. Atatayi.
You have not heard the word Atatayi, anyone?
No. We have heard the word, but
Yeah. Where did you hear the word Atatayi?
in some Upanishad only.
Upanishad. Which Upanishad?
I think Mandukya.
Mandukya. Mandukya Atatayi comes. Really?
Atatayi. Or in Gita, I think. Or
In
in
Bhagavad
Gita.
Gita, first chapter it comes.
Atatayi, yes.
Atatayi means Papameva Shayedasman Atvaita Atvaitan Atatayinaha Nigatyadatarashtranaha Kapriti Janardana Papameva Shayedasman Advaitan Atatayinaha. Atatayi means the one who has committed 6-fold crimes. It's called Atatayi. Agnido Garadas Chaiva. That is one shloka. And this, these the Kauravas have done all the 6. Agnido Garadashchaiva Dhanahari cha Shastrapanir Dhanapagaha Shetadhara Pagartha cha Shadete Atatayinaha. The one who has committed sixfold crimes. One is killing the person by Agni, the fire, which the Kauravas did for Pandava. Right? Then this is Dhana, depriving the people for person of Dhana. Right? That is Dhana as well as the wife also. Patni also they did. And the Kauravas tried to poison Pandavas and kill them. So Garadaha, so that is another Papa. And when Pandavas are without weapons, they try to attack and kill. So that is another Papa. And they, of course, they took the land. Another this Papa. Therefore, they have done all the sixfold crimes. Oh, Duryodhana did in fact. So Duryodhana is called Atatayi. Atatayin it is. So the Shabda is Atatayin. So Atatayi, Atatayinau, Atatayinaha. Gita. Where is Mandukya? Huh?
Yes. No. Gita.
Then Upajivin. Upajivin means that which is dependent on. Upajivi, Jivaka, Upajivya. So that which is dependent, it's called Upajivin. Upajivi, Upajivina, Upajivinaha. Kapalin. What is Kapalin? Kapalishwaraha. Have you heard the name Kapalishwaraha?
Yeah, what? Kapalin means forest.
Shiva's name.
Forest.
Forest.
Forehead.
Kapalaha means skull. What is Kapalishwaraha? Kapalishwara temple is there in Chennai.
Yeah.
Lord Shiva.
It's a Shiva's name.
Shiva's name. Kapalishwaraha. The temple, if you have come to Chennai, then you would know what it is. Kapalishwaraha is a famous temple. Kapalaha asya asti iti Kapalin. The one who has Kapala as what? Bhikshapatra. It's called Kapali. There is a Rajinikanth movie was that Kabali. They say Kabali, Tamil people. That is wrong. Actually, it is Kapali, not Kabali. There's another big problem with the Tamil speaking people. That Pa become Bha. Kabali. It's not Kabali. It is Kapali. It's a beautiful word. In Tamil, what happens? They become the Ba. Pa will become Bha. Like in Hindi, you cut the last word. Similarly, the Tamil people will do this. They say Kabali, not Kabali. What Kabali? It is Kapali. It's a beautiful word. Kapalaha. Asya astiti Kapali. The one who has Kapala as its Bhikshapatra. It goes for Bhiksha. Bhikshanda. They say that's a Bhikshatanam. The function actually. Shiva goes for Bhiksha. It is Patra. Then the Annapurneshwari offers food. So Kapalascha, so Ishwarascha, Kapalishwaraha. It's a compound. So it's a Karmadare Samasa. Anyway, Nakaranta Shabda, you know, and this is your homework. You can take any of the Shabda. Kamin. Kamin is Kamahasya Asti, Kundali, similarly Krodin, Krodhi. What is the Varsha now going now? The current Varsha. Current Varsha. I mean, every year has got name. What is the name of this year? Samskrita name for this current year?
Krodhi Varsha.
Krodhi. It is Krodhi Varsha. The Varsha is Krodhi. Then Grihin means Graha Asya Asti Iti Grihi. Snatva Grihi Bhaved. After graduation, get married. To be a Grasta Grihi. That's what Grihi. Tapasvin. Tapasvi. Tapasvino. Tapasvinaha. Dirghadarshin. One who has got
foresight.
Dirghadarshi, Tattvadarshi also. What is Tattvadarshi? Where does it come? Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Nabhavo vidyate sataha. Ubayorapi drishtontaha. Anayos Tattvadarshibhihi. What is Tattvadarshibhihi? This is Tattvadarshi, Tattvadarshino, Tattvadarshinaha, Tattvadarshino, Tattvadarshinaha, Tattvadarshi. Na Tattvadarshibhyam, Tattvadarshibhihi. Like Karibihi. Oh, Tattvadarshina also is there. Okay, I didn't see that. Then Degin, Dehi Nityamavadyoyam, Dehe Sarvasya Bharata, Dehi Shariri, the one who has got Deha is called Degin, Dehi, Degino, Deginaha. The one who has got Dhanam is called Dhani, Dhanin Shabda, Dhani, Dhanino, Dhaninaha. Dantin is elephant. You can say Dantin or Astin or Karin, all means same. Dantaha asya asti iti Dantin. When you decline Danti, Dantino, Dantinaha. Similarly, Tyagaha asya asti iti Tyagi, Tyagino, Tyaginaha. Nivasi, Chennai Nagara, Nivasi, Nivasino, Nivasinaha. Pakshaha asya asti iti Pakshin, bird, which has got Paksha, feathers. Pakshi, Pakshino, Pakshinaha. Paripantin. What is Paripantin? Huh?
Pantin means marga.
Yeah, okay. Paripantin. Paripantinau. I help you by saying. Paripantinau. What is Paripantinau? Indriyasyendriyasyarte. Ragadvesho vyavastitau. Tayor navashama gachet. Tauhyasya paripantinau. Gita, where else? Third chapter. 34th shloka. Paripantinau. Paripanti means paripanti, enemies. Kamakrodho paripantinau. This Kamakrodha ragadvesho paripantinau. He says, Bhagavan says, anyway, Swamin, Swami, Swaminau, Swaminaha. Swami Dayanandaha, Swami Vivekanandaha, or Swami. Could be a Swami, really a Swami, or Swami means master. Of course, one who has mastery over sense organs is called master. Okay, fine. Let us come back to the translation. All these are the words you take, practice. You have to practice, remember. Inanta Shabda, this words, all these, if you see the words, they are ending with in. Rajan is Ananta, that we will see later. Fine. Next translation. He doesn't praise him. What is that? What is the word for praise? Translation.
Shamsati.
Yeah, praise word is Shamsati or Shlagate. Shamsati Parasmi Padi Dhatu. Shams Shlagate Atmane Padi. It doesn't praise him.
No Shamsati. No Prashamsa.
Tat tam
Na slagate.
No Prashamsa.
na shlagate, na prashamsate, na prashamsati. Na prashamsati or shamsati. Anything is okay. Both are okay. Pra will not change the pratyaya. Prashamsati. Tat tam na shlagate. Okay. It transgresses dharma. What is the transgresses? Transgressing. Cross. Yeah, crossover only. What is that? Crossover.
Tarati.
But here, tarati is crossover. Transgress. Atikrama. Atikramati. Atikramanam. Utkramanam or utkramati. Let us say. Right?
Dharma.
Saha. Dharmam.
Atikramati.
Utkramati or
Atikramati.
Langate, you can say. Langate. Transgresses. Jumps over, crossover. Transgresses. Atikramati. Utkramati. Right? Atikramati. Kramdatu will become dirgha. Atikramati it must be. Atikramati. That's correct. They considered me to be a pandit. Yes. How do you translate this? They consider. What is the word for consider?
Manyate.
Okay, very good.
Manyate.
Mandatu Atmanipadi. Yeah, Manyante. Yes.
Manyante.
Ke Manyante.
Te Manyante.
What is the karma? Very good. Mom. Somebody said mom. Te Mam Manyante.
Panditaka iti Manyante.
Panditam.
Mam.
Yeah.
Panditaka iti Manyate.
Not Panditaha. Mam Panditam.
Panditam.
Because mom is Dvitiya Bhakti, therefore, te mam panditam
Manyante.
manyante. Te mam panditam iti pariganayati. Pariganayati means they count. Okay. Or bhavayanti, or pratipadyante, or manyante. Te mam panditam iti not required. Anyway, iti is understood. Manyante, you can say. Okay. All these are fine. Te mam panditam. Okay. Te mam panditam iti bhavayanti. Treats, consider. Pratipadyante. Anything you can use. Mandatu. Okay. Mandatu, fourth gana. Atmanepadi. Here we are doing Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Therefore, te. Therefore, what is the gana vikaranam?
Fourth gana is.
Yeah. Therefore, don't say shap. Very good. First, you have to think. Fourth gana. Therefore, it cannot be shap. Then what is the gana vikarana? It is shan.
Acha, shan.
Whose content is nakara is ith letter, shakara also ith letter. Content is
Ya.
yeah. So man plus ya plus te. Then what will happen?
Manyate.
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 And here it is Bhagavachanam. Therefore, you can say ante. Man plus ya plus ante.
Manyante.
Manyante.
Manya plus a. This a will become a plus a will become dirgha. Savartika sandhi? No. Pararupasan. Now, it will be Pararupasanti. Therefore, Manyante. Ita labate, labete, labante. Similarly, Manyante. So we can note fourth gana also. Same like that only. Right? Fourth gana only gana vikarana changes. Is it a Saradhatuka Pratyaya? Yes or no?
No.
You should think an answer, okay?
Only first
gana
is Sarvadhatuka. Only first gana is Sarvadhatuka.
Really? Really? Did I tell like that?
No.
Did I tell like that? First gana only Sarvadhatuka, other gana not Sarvadhatuka? What is the basis for your statement?
The shit pratyaya, so it is Sarvadhatuka.
That's it. The shit pratyaya, therefore Sarvadhatuka only. What else it is? Understanding should be doubt-free, should be clear. This is a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya only. But it is not a pit Sarvadhatukam. Therefore, Angakarya cannot happen. Even if it is the nimitta here, even if the conditions are there, it will not happen. Okay, and I think we will stop here. From 26, we will do in the next class. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Guruji.
Dhanyavadaha Guruji.
Dhanyavadaha.